Everyone. My name is Caleb Sanders with ProSymmetry, and today I'm going to be discussing how to create new Insight Plus reporting dashboards. To get started, I'm going to click the Insight Plus tile on the Tempus home screen and drop down into Insight Plus reporting. On the left side here, I can see the navigation panel by hovering and pinning this menu. To start, I will drop down in my overview by default, but we can also see on the left side any dashboards that I have created or have been shared with me directly. For example, Tempus University. If I want to create new dashboards, I can press Manage Dashboards and add a dashboard here and give it a title. I can also drop down existing dashboards such as Tempus University and press Add a Sub-Dashboard, sort of like a folder. I can give this sub-dashboard a name, Dashboard Creation, save, and exit this window. And now I see my new dashboard here. Now I have to add content to this dashboard using the plus button here at the top right. And I can either add existing cards or create new cards. And creation of new cards will be covered in a separate video in the future. For now, I'll add existing cards, and I see a window pop up showing me the various cards that I have access to that I either own or that someone has shared with me. So I'll select a handful, repeat this process 2 more times to get 3 cards in total for this new dashboard. And I'm going to search for assignments by department. And assignments by role. So now we have 3 cards, 2 donut charts and a funnel chart. And to bring these into the main dashboard canvas, I simply need to go into Edit Dashboard Mode. Currently, they live in the appendix, which is sort of like the place on any given dashboard where we house cards that are on the dashboard space, but for future use or not necessarily in the main dashboard canvas yet. When I go into edit mode, I can use the cards in the appendix and drag and drop them into the main canvas above. For example, I can press and drag my donut chart by department. And when I grab my chart by role, I can see as I hover around, blue lines appear to preview where it's going to drop. So for example, I can drop it here. And I can do the same with my funnel chart. As I hover around the dashboard, we can get a preview for where it's going to live. And I'm going to drag it here. Now that we have these 3 cards, we can do a few extra things, such as clicking them and dragging to change the space that the real estate that they're afforded on the dashboard. We can also use this right tile panel here and drag in, for example, a header and call this Dashboard Creation Demo. And now that I have my cards and it's titled, I can save this content and share it with my other Insight Plus users. In future videos, we're going to discuss how to create new cards for these dashboard spaces, how to filter these dashboards, and how to configure these cards to interact with one another. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@prosymmetry.com and have a great day. Thank you.